Anni. In this video I would like to show you how I blow dry my hair with the THERMASHAPE Quick Blow Dry. It's one of my favorite products for myself, but also in a salon because the technology makes your hair dry faster. It also has a heat protection inside, and I love the way my hair feels because it's also conditioning. But before I blow dry my own hair, I obviously have to wash it. I use the Tame Frizz shampoo and conditioner. Let's get started. For this product, it is important to apply enough everywhere. This is one of my favorite blow dry techniques for me, and for more videos, go check out the KMS Pro channel. Thanks for watching!